What up, YouTube? This your boy Rick Wonder in the place to be. One more time. Hey, do me a favor. Can y'all say PUMA gang for your boy? Man, listen, we about to do a little quick unboxing right quick like we used to do back in the days, you know what I'm saying? Chewbacca in the place to be. So let's go ahead and do this. You don't know about Chewbacca, man. You need to get on Chewbacca, man. Chewbacca got all they get, man. He got all they get. All that good stuff, you feel me? I'm so excited. These right here is a stretch, y'all. I think I can pull them off. You're gonna see what I mean in a second. I'm gonna have to light a blunt for this unboxing, boy. PUMA gang, PUMA gang, PUMA gang, PUMA gang. Be right there, PUMA. PUMA. I'm gonna look at it first, then I'm gonna show them y'all. We got a little regular paper here. I'm scared. Y'all ain't ready for these. Y'all ain't ready for these. Coke white. Oh, that's that red boot. Look at the oh shit. PUMA gang, PUMA gang, PUMA gang, PUMA gang. Straight to the top, baby. Straight to the top, baby. Oh, wait. PUMA gang, PUMA gang. Look at that tongue. At the double tongue. Look at that PUMA badge. Can you see that, man? I don't even see that, man. Oh my goodness. Got the inside side. Got the tongue. Oh my goodness. Got the PUMA branding right there on the side. Can you see that? Oh my goodness gracious. Water repellent. Let's get them both out. Let's get them both out. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Dropping shit. Dropping shit up. Oh, wait. Coke white. Go with the outfit. Let's throw these on feet. Let's throw these on feet, man. If you don't know, man, these is the Ren boot, man. PUMA, man. People act like PUMA just not coming back, man. PUMA ain't never win nowhere, baby. What you mean, bro? Oh my goodness gracious. PUMA gang, PUMA gang, PUMA gang, PUMA gang. Look at that toe box, man. Can you see the detail on that toe box? Stop playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me. Coke white. Coke white. Quit playing with me, bro. Oh my goodness. You see that? You see the sole? Straight moon boots on these bro. Comfortable. What? I ain't gonna even put both of them on, man. We ain't gonna put both of them on, man. Oh my god. Look at that. Coke white. Come on, stop playing with me, man. Stop playing with me, man. Stop playing with me, man. Come on, man. You see that PUMA? You see that double tongue? You see that double tongue? Flap it down, do it like just stop playing with me, fam. Stop playing with me, fam. Stop playing with me, fam. Stop playing with me, man. Come on, man. The Coke whites, man. PUMA gang, man. Come on, man. That's that Ren boot, man. Got it with the outfit, man. Come on, man. PUMA gang, man. You see the back of that shirt? You see that? PUMA gang, man. Come on, man. Fuck with your boy Rick Wonder, man. I got some more shoes on the way, man. Check out my last video I just did. I had the Adidas SLVIs. All my shoes are up a level, man. Stop playing with me, man. Stop playing with me, man. Go get them, man. The Ren boot. They got different colors, too. You can't fuck with the all white like that. They got the different colors, man. Go fuck with them, man. Puma gang, man. Say it again. Puma gang. Puma gang. Fuck with your boy, man. Look one, there's no place to be.